Welcome to this tutorial on managing locations in DealerTeam. In this video, you'll learn how to create a location and configure its main settings. Let's begin by navigating to the Locations object. Go to the app launcher and type Locations. Click New. Fill in all required fields marked with an asterisk, such as location name, company number, and address. Once you've completed all the fields, click Save to create your new location. Once the location is created, select it from the list view to access its record details. Here, you'll find multiple tabs to manage various aspects of the location, such as details, location users, miscellaneous charge codes, deal fees, and the form manager. The Details tab contains key fields organized into sections like General Information, Business Office, Taxation Settings, and Disclaimers. In the Location Users tab, you can assign specific users to the location, granting them access to its record and settings. The Miscellaneous Charge Codes tab allows you to add service repair order codes specific to the location. Similarly, you can manage deal fees and customize forms under Form Manager. And that's it for this video. In the next few videos, we will take a look at each of these tabs in more detail. Thanks for watching.